Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy Beezy back with another banger. Today, we are going to be looking at my beloved multiple time frames strategy, but I'm going to try to use more nuance, price action, looking at how candles move. What do they mean? How do they tell you what the market is going to move? In what direction exactly? How can you, just by looking at candles, know exactly what your next trade should be? But as I always tell you, you can never ever rely on only one thing. You can always use multiple things. For me, I really want to improve the skill of looking at candles, understanding, that little drag between the buyers and the sellers and everything. So today, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So before we jump into the video, I gotta plug myself, so don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram. Links will be in the description. We're in the best Telegram group with free signals every single day and a VIP that's absolutely free. All you gotta do is hit me up. And if you just want to go directly and deposit on Option and start learning, links to register will also be in the description. Hope you have fun over there. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So gang, let's dive right into the charts. And you see I'm on Netflix OTC. I'm gonna switch it up to currency. Add some non-OTC pairs today. I'm gonna focus on the non-OTC grind. I'm gonna grind that out. So I got 3 pairs. What am I doing? Euro USD, which is very good. It's one of at least my favorite, non-OTC pair. I entered some good trades on here, and you can see Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, as well as Australian dollar, USD. So first things we're looking at, we're going to click on Euro USD. So I always tell you, when you enter any trade, first things you should be thinking about is not what indicators you're going to use. It's about how to look at the history of the markets, because rarely something is going to absolutely repeat itself the same way. But you can look at everything from your price action to using of your indicators to just not predict, because who are you to think you can predict anything, right? So I'm using a regular moving average. I might change it to like a EMA, but here I'm not really using the indicators for much. Here I'm going to be trying to look at how the market is moving in multiple time frames, and that's how we're going to be entering trades today. I really want to perfect this part of my strategy, because I think if you've seen the other videos when I did the same thing, I think it's kind of like a 60% of the time where I get it absolutely right. So there's something that I really want to work on, because I think it's really will add another layer to my strategy with indicators, price action, and using multiple time frames. I think might just really push and boost my trading to a whole other level. So right here, first thing I'm looking is the dynamics of the candles. So right here, we can see that the market's, it feels like it's a battle. We don't see any clear decisions. Even though that we are in oversold here, comes the guy says later, so we should definitely be seeing like a little bit of a drop off. But also looking at the strength of the candle and seeing where a candle ends, because this is a very bullish candle. And you can see right before that, we see just 3 just shooting stars. So right here, we look off the strength of the first candle. We still see that this candle is a lot longer. So right here, we might be thinking to enter into a call. But I also think it's risky at the same time. But I'm gonna enter a call. I think that the price might continue to flow all the way downwards. And we'll enter that for 3 minutes. So while that is going on, we'll change our time to 1 minute on here, and We also look at the same form, Australian dollar USD. So right here, we're looking at this probably the highest point in the market at this time. So let's look at that. And we don't see the market break that point ever since. It's just slowly going downwards and downwards and downwards. And this looks like a point where it's going to change. But I think it's not. I think the market will continue to flow downwards here. So we should be able to take a quick little $92 profit, be able to snipe that out quickly. Despite you see there are, it's kind of consistent that the market would go up here. But this is more just me looking at the candles and seeing what's a good place to enter a trade. I really like the fact that this candle was bullish, and the fact that even if it ends a little bit out of the money here. Okay, ending in the red really helps. So we've got about 12 seconds. I want to go back to my 3 minutes, which is still out of the money. Euro USD. I thought my trade was good. So we got $92 off of that for sure. And you can see here, market drilling all the way back. Missed opportunity on our part. But no big deal. Let's continue to follow Australian dollar USD, or perhaps maybe we'll stay here. As you can see now, we can obviously see the dynamics, see that the market has changed, and my initial thoughts on where the market would move was absolutely wrong. So now we can see the market's moving in a downward direction. So what we're thinking about is, what is a good point for entry? And these two questions you should be asking yourself anytime you want to enter into a trade, right? What you're looking for is, what is the cause of this change? And right here is looking for an opportunity. And this looks like a good opportunity to enter a trade. We see a bullish candle, and it might touch the highest point. So we're thinking, is the market still going to crash down? In my opinion, yes. But waiting for that candle to completely be bullish, which means pull up to a point. Because you can see how bullish this candle is. It's ridiculously bullish. But we do not see any. Okay, I'm gonna enter a little bit. I'm gonna enter a little bit early because I want to wait. If it just felt like this candle is out of place, because you can see the market gradually here step down, and then we can see an incredibly bullish candle. And once I saw that, I'm like, okay, this is going to be a good opportunity to enter a trade and try to make, a couple of bucks. In this case, would be about $900 off of that, easy. And as you can see, a couple of trades today, just reading the candles, seeing the charts, being able to enter into the trades really, really helped. So we've got about 19 seconds. It's looking good. So, pretty much not a bad session for me. So, what's this session? This session is, we made $992 was our profit for this session, and we lost 100, so about $892 profit. Not bad. I think it's a great little session, little mini session. I will be doing more videos just of me improving, because that is kind of like my goal now. Because most of the time I was focused on just using strategies and trying to implement new strategies all the time. Now I want to just make everything compact, make it into one huge and very comprehensive strategy for myself. But before I could do that, I have to improve on a lot of nuance or niche or small things, you know, just like it's like you know, it's like building a Lego, you feel me? So it's like the little pieces also matter, and that's one of the things that I'm going to be working on. So thank you guys for joining me for another video. Don't forget to subscribe, like if you enjoyed the video. If you're new here and you don't know what to do, make sure you check the description. Join the best Telegram group when it comes to pocket option trading. Absolutely the best. You won't regret it. Links will be in the description. It's been your boy Beezy, and I'm out.